Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I am Lily.
Hello, friends. My name is Tom. Thank you for listening today.
We are very happy you are here.
Yes, this podcast is for English learners.
We speak slow English.
We use easy words.
Today's topic is very special.
Yes, today we talk about personal goals and dreams.
Goals and dreams are important.
They help us move forward.
They give us hope.
They give us direction.
What is a goal? A goal is something you want to do. A goal is a plan. It is something for your future. For example, I want to learn English. That is a goal.
Yes, a goal is something you want to reach. It is a target. A goal can be big or small. Small goals are easier. Big goals take more time.
Some people write their goals. Some people say them out loud. Goals give us purpose. They help us focus.
What is a dream? Now, what is a dream? A dream is something you feel in your heart. A dream is something special. It gives you hope. It gives you power. A dream is what you want for your life.
Dreams are different for everyone. Some people dream of travel. Some people dream of a family. Some people dream of success. A dream is not always easy, but it is possible.
Dreams help us stay strong, even when life is hard. Dreams give us a reason to wake up. They help us believe in ourselves.
Small goals. Let's talk about small goals. Small goals are simple. They are short. You can do them in one day or 1 week. For example, I will read one English sentence every day. That is a small goal.
Small goals help you feel good. When you finish them, you feel proud, you feel strong, and then you can try a bigger goal.
Yes, small goals help build good habits. Step by step, you grow, you learn, you improve.
Big dreams take more time. You cannot do them in one day, but big dreams are beautiful. They show your future. They show who you want to be.
Some people dream of becoming a doctor. Some dream of starting a business. Some dream of moving to another country. Big dreams are not easy, but they are possible.
To reach a big dream, you need many small goals, one step at a time. Do not rush, just keep going.
Talking about fear. Sometimes we feel afraid. We feel afraid to start. We ask, what if I fail? What if I cannot do it? That is normal.
Yes, many people feel fear. Fear is part of the journey, but fear is not the end. You can try, you can learn, you can grow.
It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Even when you fall, you can stand again.
Motivational story, a small change. Let me tell a short story. Many years ago, I felt lost. I had no direction. I had no energy. I woke up late. I did not feel happy.
What did you do?
I made one small change. I decided to wake up early, just 30 minutes earlier each day. In that time, I read books. I thought about my life. I wrote small goals.
That is powerful.
Yes, that small change helped me grow. Day by day, I became stronger. I believed in myself again. Now, I help other people. It all started with one small goal.
Now, let's practice speaking. Repeat after me.
I have a goal.
I have a goal.
I can take small steps.
I can take small steps.
I will not give up.
I will not give up.
I am learning every day.
I am learning every day. What is a big dream? A big dream is something special. It is something very important. It may take a long time.
Some big dreams take years, but that is okay. Step by step, we move closer.
Here are some examples of big dreams. I want to speak English fluently. I want to travel the world. I want to be a nurse. I want to open my own shop.
Those are big dreams. They take time, learning, and effort, but they are possible.
Why do big dreams feel hard?
Big dreams can feel scary. Why?
Because we think about how far we are. We say, I cannot do that, or it is too big. That is fear.
Yes, fear tells us to stop. Fear says, you are not good enough.
But that is not true. Everyone starts small. Everyone makes mistakes. The dream is possible if you keep going.
How to stay motivated.
Let's talk about motivation. What is motivation?
Motivation is your reason to keep going. It is your power inside.
How do we stay motivated?
Here are a few ways. Remember your why. Ask yourself, why do I want this dream? Make small goals. Every small win gives you energy. Talk to others. Friends can help you stay strong. Don't be too hard on yourself. Rest is also important.
Those are good ideas.
Motivational story. A woman's dream.
Now I will tell a true story. It is about a woman with a big dream.
Let's listen.
This woman came from a small village. She did not speak English. She worked in a small store. She was 30 years old. She had no money for school. That sounds hard. Yes, but she had a dream. Her dream was to become a nurse. She wanted to help people. That dream lived in her heart. What did she do? She made a plan. She woke up every day. She studied English for 30 minutes. Then she went to work. At night, she studied again.
Wow.
She had no teacher, only books and videos. Sometimes she felt tired. Sometimes she cried, but she did not stop. That is powerful. After 2 years, she spoke English well. She passed the exam. She joined nursing school. Now she works in a hospital. She helps many people. Her dream came true.
Learning from the story.
That story is amazing. She did not stop. She worked hard. She believed in herself.
Yes, she had a big dream, and she took small steps. That is the key.
Her story shows us you can start small. You can make a change. You can follow your dream.
Practice. Repeat after us.
Let's practice English together. Repeat slowly after us.
I have a big dream.
I have a big dream.
I can take small steps.
I can take small steps.
I will keep going.
I will keep going.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
My dream is possible.
My dream is possible.
Goal tips. How to start today.
Let's talk about how to start today.
Yes, here are 3 things you can do now. 1. Write down your dream. Take a paper and write, "My dream is." Write it clearly. 2. Make a small goal. Ask yourself, what is one thing I can do today? Do it. Just one thing. 3. Say it out loud. Speak your goal. Say it to yourself. Say it with power.
These 3 steps are simple, but they help.
They help your dream become real.
Questions to ask yourself.
Here are good questions to think about. What do I really want? Why is this dream important to me? What small step can I take today? How will I feel when I reach my goal?
These questions help you learn more about yourself. They help you stay focused. Feeling tired is okay. When we work on a dream, we get tired. We say, I don't want to study today, or this is too hard. That is okay.
Yes, you are not lazy. You are human. Everyone feels tired sometimes.
It is okay to rest. It is okay to take a break, but don't give up.
Rest is not quitting. Rest is part of the journey.
What to do when you feel tired? Here are some ideas. Take a short walk. Listen to soft music. Breathe deeply. Drink water. Sleep early. Say kind words to yourself.
These things help your mind and body. After rest, you will feel better.
And then you can try again.
What if you fail? Now let's talk about failure. What if you try and fail?
That can feel bad. We think, I'm not good. I will never do it. But that is not true.
Failure is part of learning. Every strong person fails.
Yes. Think about this. Babies fall when they walk. Athletes lose games. Students get wrong answers.
But they try again, and they grow.
So don't stop. Learn from your failure. Then move forward.
Motivational story: falling and standing up again. Let me tell a story. It is about a young man with a dream. His dream was to learn English. He studied every night after work. He practiced speaking. He watched videos. He wrote new words.
That sounds good.
Yes, but one day he took a test. He failed.
Oh no.
He felt sad. He said, I worked so hard. Why did I fail? He wanted to quit. But his friend said, you did not fail. You learned something. So he tried again.
Did he pass?
Yes, he passed the next time. And now he helps others learn English too. His failure made him stronger.
That is a good story. It shows us failure is not the end. It is the beginning. Getting help from others. Sometimes we feel alone. We think, no one understands me. But that is not true.
You can talk to family. You can talk to friends. You can join a group. You can ask for help.
Asking for help is brave. It is not weak. We all need support.
And you can help others too. When we share our dream, it grows stronger.
Practice. Repeat after us. Say these words slowly and clearly.
It is okay to rest. It is okay to rest.
It is not the end. It is not the end.
I can try again. I can try again.
I will not give up. I will not give up.
I believe in myself. I believe in myself.
Reflection. Ask yourself. Now take a moment. Think about these questions. Have I ever failed and kept going? Who supports my dream? How do I feel after rest? What small step can I take today? Think about your answers. You are learning more about yourself. Why you need a plan. Dreams are beautiful, but we need a plan to reach them.
Yes. A plan is like a map. It shows you where to go.
Without a plan, we get lost. We feel confused. We stop.
But with a plan, you move forward, step by step.
What is a plan? A plan is a list of small actions. These actions help you reach your goal.
Here is a simple way to plan. Write your big dream, break it into small goals, choose one small goal to start, make a daily or weekly schedule, check your progress.
Let's explain each step. Step 1. Write your dream.
Take a notebook or a phone. Write your dream clearly. Example, I want to speak English with confidence. I want to open a small restaurant. I want to pass the IELTS exam.
When you write it, it feels real. You see it with your eyes. You feel it in your heart. Step 2. Break it into small goals.
Big dreams are too big for one day. Break them into small pieces. For example, learn 5 new words a day, practice speaking for 10 minutes, read 1 short article a day, listen to 1 podcast a day, practice grammar twice a week.
Each small goal is like 1 brick. Many bricks build a strong house. Step 3. Choose 1 small goal.
Don't try to do everything at once. Start with 1 small goal.
Just 1. That is enough. When you finish, choose another.
Small actions every day equals big change.
Step 4. Make a schedule. Now choose a time. When will you do your small goal?
Morning, afternoon, evening.
Put it in your calendar. Make it part of your day.
This makes your plan real. It becomes a habit.
Step 5. Check your progress. After 1 week, stop and look. Ask, did I do my small goal?
If yes, great. Be proud. If no, that's okay. Try again.
Don't be angry with yourself. Just keep going.
Motivational reminder. It's your life.
Your dream is for you. It is your life, your path.
So take the first step, even if it's small.
Even if you are afraid, even if others don't believe, you keep going.
You are strong. You are learning. You are growing.
Practice. Repeat after us.
Let's say some strong words together. Repeat slowly after us.
I have a plan.
I have a plan.
I take small steps.
I take small steps.
I learn from mistakes.
I learn from mistakes.
I will not stop.
I will not stop.
My dream is possible.
My dream is possible.
Tools that can help you.
Here are some tools you can use. A notebook to write your goals, a calendar to plan your time, an app to track habits, a friend to practice with, a journal to write your feelings.
These tools help you stay focused. They help you feel strong. Use what works for you. Final words. Your dream matters.
You have listened to 4 parts. You have learned many things.
You learned how to set a goal, how to keep going, how to handle failure, and how to make a plan.
Now it is your turn. Your dream is waiting for you.
So ask yourself, what is my dream? What small step can I take today?
Start now. You don't have to wait. Thank you for joining us.
We are proud of you.
You are doing a great job.
Remember, small steps, big change.
Don't give up. You are stronger than you think.
We believe in you.
And your dream is possible.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye and good luck.